He's going through a midlife crisis. How can we rebuild the relationship? Hello ladies and welcome to Love Advice TV. I'm Alex Comment, your relationship expert. And today I want to talk about a situation that I know it's really hurtful for you. It's the midlife crisis for your husband, for your boyfriend. And you know, I have coached so many women from all over the world in this specific situation. It's hard to understand how your husband, your boyfriend has changed so much. The number one reason of this is happening is because he is not happy. He lost his sense of happiness. He doesn't know what to do for the future. Sometimes he's going out too much with his friends. Sometimes he's smoking and he have never smoked before. He's doing some crazy things. And you need to understand that because he is lost. He is lost about his personal happiness. He is lost about his personal life. And what you're doing actually is you're trying to help him. You're trying to communicate, which is the biggest mistake that you could do. When your husband, your boyfriend, your man is going through a midlife crisis, you should never communicate with him or try to make him happy. Why? Because he doesn't know what he wants. So it's really important for you to be happy into your own side, because then you will inspire him. So ask yourself, what do you want to do? How can you create something new, like new activities into your life that will inspire him and that will make him come into your side? If you can understand this, it's really important. Most of the women, they are going into their man life where there is no happiness, where I ask you to just take him into your own life, and then I can guarantee you he will value you. Because when someone is going through a midlife crisis, it's because he's not giving value to his or her partner. So in your situation, he's not giving you value. Where you should always be confident, always be happy. It's time now to show him that he has to come back to you. Because normally, what will you do? You will always tell him that you love him. Always tell him that you want to take care of him. He is not a baby. I know it's so hurtful, and I know my words can maybe surprise you, but I've seen this situation so much that I can guarantee you it's not by taking care of him that you will really help him and rebuild a relationship. He is not a baby. He has to take his own responsibility. And by seeing you happy, by seeing you someone who is really determined to take her life to the next level, he will come to you and you will rebuild an amazing relationship with new goals. It's really important when we are in a midlife crisis. That means we have no expectation for the future. It's just the present moment. But if you can recreate project, goals, and show him that he has to be with you, he has to come into your relationship, then you will recreate something special. And this is why you need to avoid questions and communication. And this is why it's really important that we need to surprise him. We need to make sure that into your life, you're putting something special. The secret sauce is, how can you be happy? How can you do for every single day not paying attention to him? I know it's really hard, it's not common, it's not natural, but it really works. You will need some help, and I will be more than happy to be your relationship expert. Come on the website withmyexagain.com/coaching. You can book a coaching session, and together we can change your love life. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comments below. Give me a like and please subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. But remember, if your husband, boyfriend is going to a midlife crisis, it's time now to not go into his life. It's time to show him how amazing could be your life. It's time now to put new activities, to do new things, to create your bucket list. I can guarantee you he will be so surprised that he will come back and you will rebuild an amazing relationship. So be careful. It's time to work on yourself. If you need some help, don't stay by yourself. Come on the website withmyexagain.com, book a coaching session, and we will be together to help you change the situation. I will see you soon for a new video. Bye bye guys.